Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here with Martin Panev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. Welcome to today's European market session outlooks. As usual, starting with the North American markets and what happened yesterday. The industrial Dow Jones went about 5 points up yesterday. The Nasdaq almost 10. The Dixie is down to 98.17. Yesterday we had housing price index month on month. It came out as expected at 0.7%. NBA mortgage approvals, applications, 4% lower than previous. Existing home sales month on month, 0.16 million better than expected. We have also the existing home sales change month on month, 3.1% again better than expected. Yesterday the biggest mover for the USD was USD Swiss franc 15 points up. That's 150 pips. For today, we have market manufacturing PMI, new home sales month-on-month readings, new home sales change month-on-month, and then again we have the continued and initial jobless claims reports. Tomorrow, as we all know, durable goods orders reports are due. There is going to be a massive volatility, most probably. European markets, the German DAX, 140 points up yesterday, opened with a gap of 70 points up today, 60 points up. It's going down right now. The French CAC 40, 80 points yesterday, up 50 points today. EU consumer confidence, negative. The German consumer confidence came out positive though, and we have the Swiss ZEU survey expectations, which came out minus 23, but better than the previous minus 37 points. The manufacturing data in the EU came out negative already, also French and German reports. The Swiss trade balance came way better than anticipated, with growing imports and also growing exports. Moving along to the UK markets, yesterday the FTSE 100 lost 33 points and closed at 6,987 points. The Bank of England interest rate votes unanimous, rates remain unchanged. The pound rose with 0.6% against the dollar and 0.7% against the euro after the Bank of England minutes showed that the status quo on keeping the interest rates unchanged was finally balanced. The overall sentiment of the minutes was hawkish in relation to interest rates and inflation. Therefore, we have the cable 110 pips up yesterday, 17 points range. That's 170 pips. The pound versus the yen, 18 points up yesterday. It's going a little bit down, contraction a little bit today. Versus the Aussie, 6 points up yesterday, 23 points range, again with a slight contraction today, versus the loonie, 9 points up yesterday, 20 points range, going sideways. The pound versus the New Zealand dollar was the biggest mover, 220 pips, that's 22 points up yesterday, 30 points range, 14 points up already today. And versus the Swiss franc, 32 points up yesterday, 38 points range, going sideways today. The public sector net borrowing reports are, and the retail sales reports are due to come a bit later than right now. Moving along to the Asian markets, we had the foreign stocks and bonds investments reports in Japan yesterday. The outcome was quite positive for the bonds and a decline in the foreign investments in stocks. The adjusted trade balance came negative 49.7 versus 50.3 previous. The yen has picked up some gains versus all of its major rivals. The biggest hit to the New Zealand dollar, where the pair was pushed down with over 100 points. We will wait to see what Deputy Governor of the Bank of Japan, Mr. Nakasu, will talk about during our nighttime tomorrow. Very short for the Pacific markets. The Royal Bank of Australia has printed a negative quarterly business confidence reports yesterday. it did affect the currency, however, not that much. While the Kiwi, the New Zealand dollar, had some large ranges since yesterday. 20 points versus the dollar, 27 points versus the euro, and another 20 points versus the Aussie. Moving along to the commodities, starting with the S&P 500 index, which had a range of about 23 points yesterday, ended on a positive trend and closed at almost 2,100. Gold had a range of $19, closed on a negative trend, trading at 11.90 as we speak. Silver had a range of 31 cents. The WTI crude oil had $1.50 range at 26.20 as we speak. Natural gas is trading at 2.55 at the moment, range of 0.6 cents yesterday. Today, the EIA natural gas storage exchange reports is due to come. That is all from me from today. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a successful trading day. Cheers. Bye-bye.